ये concentration हम बोल रहे हैं. I was giving a talk in IIT Kanpur and afterwards I was praising the concentration of these boys and girls there, how they are working. And one of the professors said, स्वामी जी आप ठीक बोल रहे हैं. जो बोल रहे हैं these boys and girls are selected and बहुत they have a capacity of intense focus and concentration. But I have been teaching here for last 25 years and I'm disgusted with it. क्यों? So elite engineering institute है, the best boys and girls are coming, you are disgusted. Yes, Swamiji, I'm disgusted. Why? He says, because the majority of these people, they will get some very good job here in India or go out, and let alone doing anything for others, for the country. They will not even do anything for their parents also. Not all, but many. Not even some, many. And after many years, he says, I have come to question this whole enterprise. इतना बड़ा resource लगा के government कर रहा है just to create a bunch of people who are just doing something for themselves only, nothing else. Though they may have tremendous powers of concentration. So with tremendous powers of concentration, without feeling for others, you create a monster, not even a human being. Swami Vivekananda said, that which is selfish is immoral. That which is unselfish is moral. You want to be a good person? Yeah. Very simple. Do unselfish things. Say unselfish things. Think unselfish thoughts. That which is unselfish is moral. Professor Martin Seligman, who's regarded as one of the pioneers of modern positive psychology, work experiment here, which I like very much. He wants to show that, you see, normally we think by being selfish, doing things for ourselves, we'll be happy. क्यों हम लोग selfish होते हैं? Because we think by doing things for ourselves, we'll be happy. Gadgets खरीदे अपने लिए, I'll be happy. Using that money for somebody else, तो मेरा कम पड़ जाएगा ना? That's what we think. If I share, मेरा कम पड़ जाएगा. And so I'll be unhappy. मेरा ज़्यादा होगा तो I'll be happy. Professor Seligman, he conducted an experiment in America. But one day in the class, he said, आज कोई class नहीं है, आज हम लोग movie जाएंगे. The students were really happy. So they all went to the movies. They came back from the movies. He gave a questionnaire. Psychology professor is the questionnaire. Rate the satisfaction you've got from the movie from 1 to 5. 1, 0 very little satisfaction. 5, complete satisfaction. सब लोग satisfied. कितना satisfaction मिला movie से? कुछ rating दिए. 3, 4, 5 ऐसा. Next week again in the class, he said, today we will not have a class. Students must have said, sir, movie. Not a movie. We are going to this part of the town. In America also there are parts of the town where poor people live. So we are going to that part of the town. I have already talked to people there. The kids will be assembled there from poor families. So we are going to take t-shirts, toys, and then we'll mix with them, give them gifts. Afternoon we'll spend with these children. So they did that. When they came back, questionnaire, rate your satisfaction 1 to 5. So many of them rated 3, 4, 5, whatever. The interesting thing came 6 months later. Suddenly in the class, Professor Seligman gave a questionnaire. Remember 6 months ago I can't do a movie? Now think about that movie. अब तुमको कितना satisfaction लग रहा है? 1 to 5 लिखो. So many of them said, हाँ movie तो गए थे लेकिन नाम ही याद नहीं आ रहा है. कौन सा movie था? I remember, हाँ गए थे एक movie हम लोग एक साथ तो गए थे. उसके बाद कितना movie देखा? उसके पहले भी कितने देखे? Somebody gave 1, 2 as a satisfaction. Remember that next week we had gone and spent the time with the children there and made friends with so many kids and all? Yes, sir, we remember. How much satisfaction do you feel today, 6 months later? Again, 4 or 5, everybody came. Full satisfaction. Showing that if you do something for others, the satisfaction that you get from it never goes away. It is permanent. If you look back upon your life, 6 महीने बाद, 6 साल बाद, 50 साल बाद, जो आपने किया है दूसरों के लिए, you will never regret it. हम अपने लिए जो करते हैं, some things we are proud of, some things we are not proud of. You will never regret it, doing things for others, number 1. And the happiness that you get from things, doing things for yourself, that happiness goes away very fast. But the happiness you get from doing things for others, it never goes away. It remains as it is. तो इतना बढ़िया एक्सपेरिमेंट हमको लगा कि मैंने read about it, and he did it and demonstrated. अपने आप देखो. So there are these 2 attitudes. When we have something to give, time to give, money to give, good behavior to give to others, there are 2 attitudes. One attitude is the prosperity attitude, one is the poverty attitude. Poverty attitude क्या होता है? दूसरों को देखे तो मेरा कप पड़ जाएगा, बच्चा गया टिफिन मम्मी दिए हैं, दूसरों के साथ शेयर करेंगे तो मेरा कम पड़ जाएगा. That's the poverty attitude. Prosperity attitude, same kid, same tiffin. मेरे पास इतना है, I can share with my friend. He'll be happy also. It does not matter how much we have. Attitude is the same for poor people also, rich people also. One of our Swamis was saying that don't think that there is corruption only in India. He gave an example. One gentleman in America, he was made the US ambassador to one European country. And he is himself a multi-millionaire. He had given a lot of donation to George Bush so that George Bush made him an ambassador to that country. तो वहाँ के स्टाफ बता रहे थे, और ये महाराज उनसे मिले थे, स्टाफ बता रहे थे कि ये जो एम्बेसडर आए थे इतना ग्रीडी है, एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग जो हाथ में आया वो ले लेते अपने घर भेज देते. ही इज अ मल्टी-मिलियनेयर. सो व्हेन ही वाज ट्रांसफर्ड फ्रॉम दैट कंट्री टू अनदर प्लेस, वो पर्दा तक खोल के ले गए एम्बेसी से. ही इज अ मल्टी-मिलियनेयर. कोई अभाव नहीं है उनका. सो इट्स अ पॉवर्टी मेंटालिटी एंड द प्रॉस्पेरिटी मेंटालिटी. मेरे पास इतना है, आई कैन शेयर विद अदर्स. आज ही पेपर में आप देखोगे, आई थिंक Stephen Guesnay is written. Now there is a psychological treatment for the richest people in the world. Multimillionaires and billionaires. They are suffering like anything. So they have separate psychological treatment. सोच रहे उनका क्या किया जाए. उनमें रेस्टलेसनेस है, आइसोलेशन है, सस्पिशन ऑफ अदर्स एंड गिल्ट. Often very rich people who have become very rich very quickly, बहुत सीधे तरीके से नहीं होते, तो एक गिल्ट रह जाता है. तो what is the way out? इनके 1 2 3 4 लिखे हैं. One of the ways out he says is like Bill Gates, tremendous philanthropy, दे दो. So unselfishness makes us happy and is beneficial for others also. And it is very important for success in life. You see, ultimately we work together in companies, you live together in families. You cannot become successful individually, privately. Even in spiritual life, we live in ashram. You cannot have a private spirituality. Private spirituality, हम खुद spiritual बनेंगे, दुनिया भाग में जाए. बहुत जल्दी क्या होगा, अपना spirituality भी नहीं होगा. That very attitude, it's a poison inside, selfishness. So unselfishness is necessary not only for your happiness, not only for the welfare of the world, but also for success. In career, in professional life, in social life, in your personal life, in spiritual life. एक बात बोल के खत्म करता हूँ. स्वामी विवेकानंद ने गिव द मोटो फॉर रामकृष्ण मिशन, आत्मनो मोक्षार्थं जगत हिताय च. अपने मोक्ष के लिए और जगत के हित के लिए, ये रामकृष्ण मिशन. Now we debate sometimes, ये दोनों क्यों बताए हो? इतना ही बोल सकते थे अपने मोक्ष के लिए बस, या इतना ही बोल सकते थे जगत के मंगल के लिए, कल्याण के लिए, जगत हिताय. Why both? So I was talking with another monk 2 years back. He's also a brilliant person. He used to work in San Francisco for Oracle and very high paying job. He gave it up and became a monk. I was talking to him and I said, see, I was Jagat ka hit karna hai, theek hai, it's a very nice thing, but it did not motivate me. What motivated me was the call of spiritual life. That can we actually see God? Can we realize God? Can God be experienced? This is what motivated me to become a monk. And of course, doing social work for everybody, that's good. But that was not the main thing. Aaj hum, after so many years, I feel the two are not separate. If I really want spirituality, I also must be selfish. जगत हिताय और आत्मनो मोक्षार्थम, ये दोनों अलग नहीं है. तो वो जो मंक हम जिसको बोल रहे थे, he laughed and he said, अच्छा आपने ऐसा मंक बना. तो he said, I became a monk. I thought that meditation, realization of God, ये सब ठीक है, but I really want to do something for others. जगत हिताय, इसलिए मैंने मंक बना. आज 20 साल पहले बाद आके I feel unless we have an inner spiritual quest, one cannot really do good work for others. तो आत्मनो मोक्षार्थम इम्पॉर्टेंट है, आज हमको पता चल रहा है. एंड आई सेड, आज हमको पता चल रहा है जगत हिताय इम्पॉर्टेंट है, एज इम्पॉर्टेंट एज आत्मनो मोक्षार्थम. बेसिकली अनसेल्फिशनेस एंड स्पिरिचुअलिटी हैव अ वेरी डीप कनेक्शन.